Prince Andrew fails to stop sex assault case over residence. Prince Andrew tried to stop the progress of a lawsuit brought by a woman who claims he assaulted her when she was 17 years old, on the grounds that the woman no longer lives in the United States, but a federal judge rejected his request to dismiss the lawsuit on Monday as oral arguments were set to proceed. Lawyers for Prince Alwaleed bin Talal must hand over records in accordance with a court order issued by Judge Louis A. Kaplan on Friday, according to a statement from the court. In 2001, Giuffre claims she was repeatedly molested by the prince while Jeffrey Epstein was sexually abusing her. Andrew Brettler, the prince's lawyer, has dubbed the case basless. The injunction was issued only 3 days before Epstein and Giuffre's 2009 settlement agreement was to be made public on Monday. Claims like those launched by Giuffre's will be dismissed because of the arrangement, according to lawyers representing Andrew. Giuffre's attorneys said it was meaningless for them to exchange evidence until the issue of whether he is a U.S. citizen was decided, since it may result in the case being dismissed. They contended that Giuffre has lived in Australia for all but 2 of the previous 19 years, has an Australian driver's license, and owns a $1.9 million, 2 million New Zealand dollars, property in Perth, Western Australia, where she and her Australian husband have raised their 3 children. It is simply another old effort by Prince Andrew to avoid and skirt the legal merits of the lawsuit Virginia Giuffre has filed against him, Giuffre's lawyer Sigrid McCauley said in a statement. Prince Andrew is no exception to the rule when it comes to being vulnerable to discovery. Giuffre's attorneys have asked extensive evidence from her by January 14, including documentation relating to where she has resided, according to Kaplan's one-page order. He also claimed the prince's lawyers haven't yet presented the position that the case can't continue because Giuffre lives in Australia rather than Colorado, where her lawyers claim she lives. As far as the prince's assertion that Giuffre should be barred from suing since she resides in Australia, the judge's decision offered no view. The prince's motion to dismiss the lawsuit will be heard by video teleconference on Monday morning, according to the court. As recently as October, Andrew's attorneys argued that Giuffre had made false charges against him since he never sexually abused or molested her. In order to get another paycheck at Giuffre's cost and the expense of those closest to him, he filed this false case against Prince Andrew. The written justification said that Epstein's mistreatment of Giuffre does not warrant her public campaign against Prince Andrew. He committed himself in August 2019 while awaiting a sex trafficking trial in Manhattan. After a month-long trial, his ex-girlfriend Ghislaine Maxwell, 60, was found guilty of sex trafficking and conspiracy. Unless someone comes forward publicly, like Giuffre, the app does not name sexual assault victims.